arc welding used for mild steel in flat position. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, we will show arc welding machine components and how the arc welding process is done based on welding straight bit, welding a closed square butt joint, and welding an open corner joint. In this video, we share the wearing of personal protective equipment (PPE) for arc welding work, the preparation of arc welding work. Tools are used during welding work such as workpiece, wire brush, plier and chipping hammer. Personal protective equipment (PPE) used such as apron, glove, and heat shield during arc welding work. Now, we show the right ways of installing electrodes on electrode holders. Next, the correct electrode angle while welding work is being done. Turn on the arc welding machine and do an adjustment for voltage and electric current. The last step is heating and scratching the electrode. Preparation of welding straight bit. Take a piece of mild steel plate and draw a two straight line using welding chalk and an iron ruler. Place the workpiece in a flat position, well on the line that has been made from the beginning to the end. Tap the slug by using a chipping hammer. The last step, clean the bit using a wire brush. Preparation of welding closed square butt joint. Take two mild steel plates that have been rubbed by a wire brush. Place the workpiece in opposite each other between the two plates. Spot weld on both ends of the plate. Place the workpiece in a flat position, well on the butt line that has been made from the beginning to the end. Tap the slug by using a chipping hammer. The last step, clean the bit using a wire brush. Preparation of weld and open corner joint. Take two mild steel plates that have been rubbed by a wire brush. Place the workpiece 90 degrees between each other. Spot weld on both ends of the plates. Welding corner joint from the beginning until the end. Tap the slug by using a chipping hammer. The last step, clean the bit using a wire brush. This is the result of the project that has been completed. Hope you all understand the steps that have been shown. Thank you.